Welcome to the Parrot Squad. Parrot, today we're talking about your little feathered foodie, the cockatiel. Let's learn what keeps them healthy, shiny, and full of energy every single day. What they eat in nature. In the wild, cockatiels snack on seeds, grasses, fruits, and leafy greens. They love to forage all day, finding little bits of nature's buffet. The secret? Variety. That's what keeps them balanced and strong. Perfect pet diet. For your pet cockatiel, here's the magic mix: 70% pellets, 20% veggies and fruits, and 10% seeds. Pellets are the base, they've got all the vitamins your bird needs. For healthy foods, add color to their plate. Spinach, carrots, apples, corn, broccoli, these are total winners. Just make sure everything's fresh, clean, and cut into small pieces. Foods to avoid. Big warning time. Never give your cockatiel avocado, chocolate, coffee, onion, or garlic. Even a tiny bite can be dangerous, so stick to the safe stuff only. Hydration. Water is just as important as food. Keep clean, fresh water in the cage and change it at least twice a day. They love to sip, splash, and stay cool. Treat time. Treats are for bonding, not meals. Offer millet sprays, tiny almond pieces, or apple bites during playtime. They'll love you even more, and maybe whistle you a thank you song. Daily feeding routine. Morning, pellets and veggies. Afternoon, a little fruit snack. Evening, a small seed mix before bedtime. Simple, easy, and perfect for your bird's rhythm. A healthy diet equals a happy bird. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life, laughter and feathers, only on the Parrot Squad. Parrot Sparkles.